Claim, did Vinesh Fogart weigh 2.1 kilograms more before her disqualification in Paris Olympics? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. As 2024 Paris Olympics reached peak with many eyes on Indian woman wrestler Vinesh Fogart's successful bouts to reach finals made headlines 6 August 2024. But the next morning came a shocking news that she was disqualified from participating in the final due to overweight. Vinesh Fogart was in a weight category of 50 kilograms. The IOA stated officially that Vinesh Fogart was just over her weight category of 50 kilograms without giving more details. The claim says she was 2.1 kilograms overweight. 2 kilograms was the permissible limit. Vinesh was overweight by 2 kilograms 100 grams. The initial social media posts started making the rounds stating that Vinesh Fogart weighed 2.1 kilograms more than the 50 kilograms limit, hence disqualified. Fact check. Truth, misleading. Vinesh Fogart weighed just 100 grams more than the 50 kilograms limit in her weight category and hence disqualified. Fact check details. An official statement by the Indian Olympics Association (IOA) mentions that the wrestler weighed in a few grams over 50 kilograms, which led to her disqualification. In a post on X, the IOA said, "It is with regret that the Indian contingent shares news of the disqualification of Vinesh Fogart from the women's wrestling 50 kilograms class. Despite the best efforts by the team through the night, she weighed in a few grams over 50 kilograms this morning." Dr. Dinshaw Pardiwala, statement, Para 4 says, however, Vinesh was found to be 100 grams over her 50 kilograms weight category, and hence, she was disqualified. All possible drastic measures, including cutting off her hair, were used. However, she was not below her allowed weight of 50 kilograms.
भारतीय रेसलर विनेश फोगाट को तय कैटेगरी में ज़्यादा वजन 100 ग्राम होने की वजह से पेरिस ओलंपिक से बाहर होना पड़ा है। विनेश 50 केजी की कैटेगरी में खेल रही थी। स्पर्धा के लिए विनेश का वजन 50 किलोग्राम होना अनिवार्य था। यूडब्ल्यूडब्ल्यू के नियमों और विनियमों के अनुसार सभी प्रतियोगिताओं के लिए संबंधित श्रेणी के लिए प्रत्येक सुबह वजन माप का आयोजन किया जाता है।
Claim, Indian woman wrestler Vinesh Fogart weighed 2.1 kilograms more than the limit, so disqualified in Olympics final. Conclusion, misleading. Vinesh Fogart weighed just 100 grams more than the 50 kilograms limit in her weight category and hence disqualified. Rating, misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit I India.